If Windows ever stops working and you don't have a USB or DVD nearby, you're stuck, unless you've already set up a bootable partition on your hard drive. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7, so you can reinstall Windows anytime in under 20 to 40 minutes without needing anything external. You only need 3 things. First, a partition with at least 6 or 7 gigabytes of free space. Second, a Windows ISO file. I'll show you where to get it for free. And third, a free tool called EasyBCD. Let's start by creating a separate partition. Press the Windows key, type diskmgmt.msc, hit Enter to open Disk Management. Right-click any partition that has at least 6 to 7 gigabytes of free space and click Shrink Volume. In the box, type 7000, that's 7 gigabytes in megabytes, then click Shrink. Once that finishes, you'll see unallocated space. Right-click it, hit New Simple Volume, follow the wizard, and click Finish. That's your new partition ready. Now, grab your Windows ISO file. If you need one, download it directly from Microsoft's website. The link is in the description. On Windows 10 or 11, just double-click the ISO to mount it as a virtual drive. Windows 7 users use WinRAR or 7-zip to extract it instead. Open the mounted drive, select everything with Ctrl-A, copy it, and paste it into the new partition we just created. This takes a few minutes depending on your drive speed. Just wait for it to finish. Once copying is done, install and then open EasyBCD. I have already installed it. Download link is in the description. Click Add New Entry on the left. Then go to the WinPE tab. Give it a name. I'll call mine Windows 11 Install. Now click the folder icon next to the path field. Navigate to the new partition we created, open the Sources folder. Select the file called boot.wim and click Open. Finally, click the green plus icon to add it to the boot menu. That's it. Your partition is now bootable. The full written guide with all the download links is in the description at softsuggester.com. Next time you need to reinstall Windows, just restart your PC. You'll see a boot menu. Use the arrow keys to select your bootable partition and press Enter. Windows setup starts immediately. If this saved you a trip to find a USB drive, hit the like button. It helps more people find this video. And subscribe for more Windows tips every week.